Good afternoon. My name is Wesley Gardner, and today we're talking about public speaking with more emphasis on managing anxiety when speaking in a public setting. A little bit about myself. I was a chief in the Navy, and when I left my boat, I went to be an instructor and I qualified master training specialist. So I've given a lot of training, received a lot of courses on leadership from being a chief and how to publicly speak as an instructor. During that month and a half public speaking instructor course, I became familiar with a lot of things that we've talked about in this chapter, and some things that I was told that I struggled with when I was going through the course that I worked on was I used a lot of vocal fillers, particularly to fill the void. I would my hands always got a little sweaty, and I would notice that, and I would start to really kind of clench my hands and do weird things with them. And so one of the things that I worked on I would normally have a pen or an expo marker, and I would have a whiteboard behind me or one of the paper roll downs, and I would write out what I would say or the next thing that I'd be talking about, which helped both those things a lot because it allowed me to write down what I was going to say. In that time, I would gather what I would be thinking about. I'd have a pen in my hand, so I would keep my hands open so they wouldn't get nearly as clammy, and I wouldn't start thinking about it. And then once I wrote it down, I'd gather my thoughts, and then I could turn around and talk to the people. I could scan the crowd, make sure I stay fully engaged with them, asking questions, looking to the front, the back, to the sides, engaging each student almost individually, even though it's as a group.